Hello everyone, this is Kate Home, an expert in prefabricated houses. This is the third video in this series. Let's take a look at the overall effect. This is the temporary headquarters of a construction company on the construction site. Only 5 workers can build the 2-story 240 square meter container headquarters within a week. If you want to see the installation process, you can go to my previous 2 videos. Such a fast construction speed will really save a lot of time. And the installation of prefabricated houses is also very simple. Ordinary workers can install it after simple training. And the price of each standard container unit is very cheap, only $2,100 per 1/8 square meters. We can customize the design according to your needs for free. We have a professional team to provide you with one-to-one service throughout the whole process, from design to production to installation and after-sales service. This is the first floor of this container office building. There are 2 temporary lounges of 1/8 square meters on one side of the stairs. The corridor is 2 meters 15 meters, with a single-sided perspective glass wall. On the other side is a 36 square meter meeting room. The container office building uses internal stairs. There are 4 identical offices on the second floor, each room of which is 3m6m, with 2 windows for ventilation and lighting. 2 desks and office file cabinets are placed in the room. Our container houses are widely used in construction sites, mines, urban construction projects, communities, camps, offices, schools, dormitories, hotels, public restrooms, supermarkets, restaurants, shops, hospitals, disinfection channels, etc. If you are interested in our products, please contact us. Follow us for more.